When you're new to the sport, you might find it easier to kneel on board rather than stand upright. Standing alongside the board in shallow water, place the paddle alongside the deck of the board, with blade resting in the water. Holding the rails, climb onto the board to a kneeling position just behind the center point of the board. The carrying handle located in the center of the board can be used as a good reference point to find the center of the board. From this position, gain your balance using your hands as stabilization. The board should remain on top of the water. The nose shouldn't pop up and the tail shouldn't dig in. Once you're comfortable, stand up on the board 1 foot at a time. Maintain your balance. Keep your feet parallel, hip-width apart, centering your body on the board. Balance with your hips, not your upper body, keeping your toes forward, knees bent, and back straight. Focus your eyes ahead, not at your feet. And as you begin to pick up speed, your stability will increase. Don't be discouraged if you lose your balance and begin to fall. Aim to fall to the side so that you fall into the water rather than onto the board. This can protect you from injuries. Make sure you are holding the paddle the correct way, keeping the angle of the blade going forward. As you begin to paddle, focus on using your torso and abdominal muscles rather than just your arms. There are various strokes that can be used to maneuver on the paddleboard. Utilize forward stroke, the most basic stroke to move forward. Make sure your paddle is vertical when you're taking forward strokes. The sweep stroke is the basic turning stroke. It can be either a forward sweep or a reverse sweep. Bend your knees a little more and push the paddle away from the board, allowing the board to turn in the direction you are trying to go. Reverse or backstroke can be used to make a faster turn or reverse directions. Simply drag the paddle or paddle backwards. Be sure to always look in the direction you are turning. This will help you maintain your balance.